What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how we plumb up our walls. First thing you got to do is check it. Don't have our plate level, but this piece is fairly straight and it's telling me we're out, so we're going to fix it. You're going to grab your ratchet strap, wrap it around the top plate, get it in there good, walk down, usually there. Grab a structural screw, find where a floor joist is. Leave it a little high for now. Put it here. And then we're just going to tighten. Alright Caleb, so if you could just go over there and check level as I tighten. Yeah, right there. Good? Yep. There you go. Bob's your uncle.